In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a map in Constant Contact. This is a great way to add an interactive element to your emails, making it easy for your audience to visualize a location or find directions directly from your message. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. From there, you'll need to search for Constant Contact. Once you've found the right site, click on the link to go to the Constant Contact homepage. When you're there, you should see the login button prominently displayed. Click on that to enter your account details and log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Create button. This is where you'll begin crafting your email. Instead of using a template, select the option Start from Blank. Starting from scratch gives you complete control over the email design, including embedding that map we're looking to add. Now, we need to find the image block option in the panel. Once you've found it, drag the image block into your email layout where you want the map to appear. After you've placed the block, click on it to select it. You should see an option to replace the current placeholder image. Click this, and a selection window will appear. Next, what you want to do is click on the map image and then click the plus sign. You'll be inserting your map here. Click again on the block to open up more options and locate the link icon. Clicking on this will allow you to attach a URL to the image. In the linking options, select the web page option. This is where you'll paste the link to the map you want to embed. Make sure you've copied the correct URL from Google Maps or your preferred map service. Paste it into the designated link field within Constant Contact. An excellent feature to utilize here is Enable Click Segmentation. This feature allows you to track who clicks on the map, providing valuable insights into your audience's engagement. Make sure to check this option. Following this, you'll see a drop-down field. Click it and select the contact list you want to associate with this action. This ensures the correct group of people receives your enriched email content. Once you have all your elements and settings in place, click Insert to finalize the map addition into your email. To make sure everything looks as you envision, click on Preview and Test to see how your email will appear to recipients. Finally, select the Preview button to assess your email's layout in full. If it looks good, you're all set to go. And there you have it, a map seamlessly integrated into your Constant Contact email. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy emailing!